Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's first open the settings application, and after that tap on the always on display and lock screen section, then click here to the AoD. We can see here that we can display always on display feature for 10 seconds after tapping. Also we can turn it off when the battery saver mode is turned on. Here we can select the custom temp, so we can use our custom temp. So just to do that, click to this plus. We can add here a photo from the gallery if you want, or you can also don't set some photos here. We can here change the text color of the date, battery status, and the time. Also we can just change clock position here, down, up, or just don't show the clock here, the time. We can turn off also battery status and notifications from different applications. Or also we can see here all of the available temp here, the default ones, the signature, the analog clocks, the kaleidoscope, the digital clocks here, and the tabs with the backgrounds. For example, let's use this one. Here we can also change the color of the clocks. Let's use the rose one. We can also turn off the battery status notifications from different apps, and to activate it, just click here to apply. Now we can see message that it's applied successfully, and now we can see that we just successfully customized always on display feature on our Redmi device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.